Let's talk about the basic structure of the Constitution of India. Based on the theory held in the judicial pronouncement, talk about its present status, not yet finally decided, but explained through various judgments. In order to understand this topic, let's divide it into various headings. I have divided this topic in different six headings. The first one is related to the origin of this concept. As we have already came to know through our previous video that this concept is mooted since Golaknath judgment, but was decided and approved in the Keshav Nanda Bharti case. Talk about its nature. It was held in the Keshav Nanda Bharti case that it is illustrative in nature. It is being criticized for being vague or elusive in nature, but this controversy was settled or held in the Keshav Nanda Bharti case in the negative. The features of the concept of the basic structure theory is illustrated in various judgments. The first one is Keshav Nanda Bharti versus Union of India, then Minerva Mills versus Union of India 1980, then Nagraj versus Union of India 2007. This judgment, the Keshav Nanda, what the Keshav Nanda judgment held was approved by the Vaman Rao versus Union of India in 1981. Then the same is reiterated in I.R. Koile versus State of Tamil Nadu 2017. What these two judgments held, it held that what is being decided by the Keshav Nanda Bhartis, that is related to the basic structure theory. Uh, this will be prospective in nature. Any amendment which will come after the Keshav Nanda Bharti case can be challenged on the basis of the basic structure theory in the court and can be declared invalidated. But whatever it is, whatever or any amendment which is declared valid before the Keshav Nanda Bharti case will not be touched upon and will continue to be remain valid only. Applying this theory, many judgments after the Keshav Nanda Bharti case are held valid or invalid. Let's talk about the first amendment after the Keshav Nanda Bharti case, which is related to the 39th Amendment 1975. It struck down 16 Clause 4 of Article 329A in Indira Nehru Gandhi versus Nagraj 1975 case. Then 42nd Amendment 1976 was challenged in the Minerva Mills versus Union of India 1981. In this case, it struck down Clause 4 and 5 added to Article 368 of the Constitution of India. 77th Amendment, which added Article 16 Clause 4A, 81st Amendment 2000, which added Article 16 4B, which introduced promotion in reservation. 82nd Amendment 2000 introduced proviso to Article 335. 85th Amendment 2001 adding words to Article 16 4A with consequential seniority, held valid in the M. Nagraj versus Union of India 2007 case, which held that all these amendments 77th, 81st, 82nd and 85th amendment are valid in nature and not violative of the basic structure concept.